Welcome! Today, I am going to teach you how to make the best fried chicken ever. It's crunchy, juicy, and crispy. You should definitely try this recipe, and I'm sure that you will love it. To make this super yummy recipe, first thing to do, we have to marinate the 3 drumsticks and 3 chicken breasts with 4 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 medium sliced onion, a tablespoon of vinegar, then season with a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper, and mix until well blended. Then, we need to cover and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours or overnight. If you are letting it marinate for more than about an hour, I would highly recommend putting it in the fridge. After marinating, prepare the breading mix by combining the ingredients of 2 cups of all-purpose flour sifted, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of white pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Then mix using your wire whisk so that it is well blended. Time to start frying our chicken. First, we need to preheat a pan with a generous amount of oil in it. Then, we beat 2 eggs in a bowl. And dip and cover our first chicken piece in egg. Then, plop it in the flour mixture and turn it until it is completely covered. Then, we add it to the preheated pan of oil. Repeat this process until you're done with all your chicken or the pan is full. Now, we cook it until the chicken is golden brown and crispy. You will know it's cooked because the cuts of the chicken will float in the heated oil. This is now our fried chicken recipe. Now that our fried chicken is done, it is time to eat. This is how you cook best ever fried chicken. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you're interested to know how to cook a delicious chicken gravy recipe, be sure to watch my video on that. Also, hit subscribe for more Philippine delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching and have a great day!